We've been working on our AI chatbot, still super early, still in testing, but I want to show you this is what it looks like. So if you pull up my screen here, this is the future of tokenomics. All right, so basically it's going to be a chatbot. You come here, obviously not financial advice disclaimer. You come here, you agree to it. All right, but yeah, this is basically it. This is basically GPT for crypto, taking all the tokenomics data and grades and analytics. So whatever you guys have been asking me on the AMA, you would have a bot you can come here and talk to, and basically just ask it any question in crypto, any question, right? So we've done an initial survey with our community and customers, and the question, surprise, surprise, people want to have answered the most is, what is the next 100x coin? All right, that's the question people want to answer the most. But here are some example things we're working on in terms of the actual capabilities. What are the top crypto assets today? Compare Bitcoin and Ethereum. So basically every question being asked here. So this is what we're working on. Stay tuned. We'll have this out in a phased release. But the plan is being able to give you all the data available on our platform in an easy, friendly way to be able to just talk to it and just chat with it. I don't believe it's working because we're still testing this. Let me see. What is Helium network long-term grade? A sneak peek with what's coming to tokenomics. Definitely curious to get people's opinions. Let me know what you think. And definitely want to get as much feedback as we can. All right. So yeah. So right now this is super early, but that's how it's going to work. It would obviously be a lot more detailed. This is just something we tossed up on the alpha site to kind of work things out. But yeah, stay tuned. We're hoping to have, I would say, an alpha as early as next month. Look forward to it, right? It will be a tiered approach because honestly, running all these API, because we're using our own data with ChatGPT's API, and then we have to kind of train it and fine tune it. And using all these requests is very, very expensive. So I think the average question is like, what, 2 cents? So that's why it has to be a phased approach in terms of us launching this. We can't just give this out to 1 million people. Running AI is very, very expensive, but this is kind of the idea of what we're doing for crypto. But we'll have all these different questions that people can ask. And now my thought is this might even become the new homepage for tokenomics. So imagine this being like the simple user-friendly version. And then you just have the ratings page for those that want to kind of do their own deep dive. But this could be like the way to get all the data in an easy way to consume. Eventually, there will be a free version, but obviously it's very, very expensive running all these AI models. So we want to scale it up. So we'll begin initially with VIP, asked about holders and users, and then work our way down to advanced, to premium, then advanced, then basic. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, we have even more content for you at tokenomics. Get there using the link down below.